Well, to continuing my lecture on the topic vectors, addition of vectors we discussed already, subtraction of vectors we discussed already. Now we discuss some special cases in this addition of vectors and subtraction of vectors. Case 1, P is equal to Q, then find R value. R is equal to square root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Formula already you know. Resultant of any two vectors is given. Theta is angle between them. Then we got the square root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. So this formula P is equal to Q, that's why I substitute P square plus 2P square cos theta. Then 2P square plus 2P square cos theta. So then what we got here, square root of, so just common it this 2p square is common it, then what we got 1 plus cos theta. 2p square is common it, then we got 1 plus cos theta. So then from this square root of 2p square into 1 plus cos theta is nothing but 2 cos square theta by 2. So already we know formula of 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is cos square theta. 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta. 1 plus cos theta is, observe here 2 theta is there, here theta. Here theta is there, then theta by 2. Whatever here the value, half value we got in for answer. Here 2 theta is there, that's why here theta. Then here theta is there means here half means 2 cos square theta by 2. From trigonometry formulas, 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. So now from this 2p square into 2 cos square theta by 2, we got here in square root 2 2's are there, we got 2, and p square means p we consider, cos square theta by 2 means cos theta by 2 we consider. So this is case 1 we got. Whether P is equal to Q, then resultant formula is directly applied, 2P cos theta by 2. 2P cos theta by 2. For example, now we consider one example problem. After solving this, we got a clear idea. One example problem. Example 1. If vectors P bar and Q bar magnitude is same, and it is equal to 3, angle between P bar and Q bar vectors is 60 degrees. Then find resultant of two vectors. This is a question. Observe carefully, ma. If vectors P bar and Q bar magnitude is same, both having magnitude is same, and it is equal to 3, that magnitude value is equal to 3, angle between P bar and Q bar vectors is 60 degrees, then find resultant of two vectors. How to find the solution for this one? Solution is here magnitude of P bar is equal to magnitude of Q bar. How to represent a magnitude? Already I discussed in previous lectures. Magnitude is nothing but we consider modulus. Modulus of P is equal to modulus of Q is equal to modulus of P is equal to modulus of Q is equal to 3. Modulus of P is equal to modulus of Q is equal to 3, and theta is equal to 60 degrees. Then resultant, I already told, observe carefully here. Whenever P is equal to Q, two vectors magnitude is same. So modulus of P is also written P. Modulus of Q is also written Q. Here only P we write that represent magnitude of P bar. Vector means we represented in bar. Here Q bar is a vector, P bar is a vector. So here we represent in modulus or single P. That is indication for magnitude of P, magnitude of Q. When magnitude of P is equal to Q, at that time P is equal to Q, then find R. How to find R value? Directly apply 2P cos theta by 2 formula. So then resultant R is equal to 2P cos theta by 2. 2P cos theta by 2. Then 2 into magnitude of P is equal to 3 is given. 2P cos theta means 60 degrees by 2. Then what we got? 2 into 3, 6. 6 into cos 30 degrees. Then 6 into cos 30. Cos 30 and sin 60 both are same value. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. So cos 30 value is also root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2. 2 3s. Then what we got here? 3 root 3. So resultant of magnitude of these two vectors we got 3 root 3 is answer for this question. So this is one example problem I discussed based upon this case 1, and for the next lectures we discuss case 2 and case 3. I hope you understood now. If you had any doubt, please mention in comment box. I'll explain in further lectures. Thank you so much.